In today's fast-paced world, international travel has become increasingly complicated, especially in the context of the global COVID-19 pandemic. Governments across the world have imposed strict regulations, such as mandatory vaccinations, testing, and quarantine protocols, to curb the spread of the virus. While necessary, these regulations have created new hurdles for travelers, making the process of flying from one country to another increasingly complex. To address these challenges, CommonPass was developed as a solution to streamline international travel and ensure that travelers comply with health requirements while respecting privacy. But what exactly is CommonPass, and how does it work? What are its benefits? And how can it be used to make travel smoother, safer, and more enjoyable? In this journey, we'll dive into all aspects of CommonPass, explaining its purpose, how it works, its key benefits, and some practical travel tips on how to make the most of the platform. By the end, you'll have all the information you need to navigate the complexities of post-pandemic travel more easily. So, whether you're an avid traveler, a frequent flyer, or someone planning your first international trip in years, read on to discover how CommonPass can help. Subscribe for more adventures and travel tips. What is CommonPass? CommonPass is a digital health pass designed to simplify the travel experience in the age of COVID-19. It allows travelers to store and share their health information, such as COVID-19 test results and vaccination status, in a secure, verified, and privacy-preserving way. This information can then be shared with airlines, airports, and border authorities to comply with travel and entry requirements for various destinations. The main goal of CommonPass is to enable smoother, faster, and safer international travel by reducing friction at borders while ensuring that travelers meet the health requirements of their destinations. Developed by the Common Trust Network, which includes the World Economic Forum and the Rockefeller Foundation, CommonPass has become one of the most widely accepted and recognized digital health passports for international travel. Why was CommonPass created? The COVID-19 pandemic drastically altered the travel landscape, with governments worldwide imposing varying travel restrictions and entry requirements. Each country set its own rules for testing, vaccination, and quarantine, creating confusion and inefficiencies for travelers. This lack of uniformity made cross-border travel cumbersome, leading to long delays at airports, inconsistent documentation requirements, and an increased risk of fraud with physical health certificates. CommonPass was created to address these challenges by offering a unified solution for travelers to verify their health status in a consistent and secure manner. This eliminates the need for paper-based certificates and reduces the complexity of understanding and complying with each country's entry requirements. As a result, travelers can enjoy a smoother experience while also ensuring they are adhering to the health protocols of their destination. How does CommonPass work? CommonPass is a mobile app that acts as a digital health pass. The app securely stores your health credentials, such as COVID-19 test results or vaccination records, and allows you to share them with relevant authorities when needed. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how it works. Creating a profile. To begin, you need to download the CommonPass app, which is available on both Android and iOS devices. Once installed, you will create an account within the app. You can then input your health information manually or link it to your medical records from participating providers. Uploading your health information. Once your profile is set up, you can upload your health credentials, such as proof of vaccination or negative COVID-19 test results. These documents must be obtained from trusted and verified healthcare providers or testing labs. CommonPass integrates with a wide network of certified labs, clinics, and vaccination providers to ensure that the data you upload is valid and recognized. Verification. After you upload your health documents, CommonPass will verify that the data meets the entry requirements for your destination. If the information is valid, the app will generate a verified health certificate. If there are any issues, the app will notify you and prompt you to correct them. Sharing your health data. When you arrive at the airport or border, you can share your verified health certificate with airlines, immigration authorities, or other relevant parties. This can be done through a QR code, which is scanned by the relevant authorities to confirm your health status. The QR code contains only the necessary information, and no personal health data is shared without your consent. Privacy and security. CommonPass is built with privacy in mind. It uses end-to-end encryption to ensure that your health information remains private and secure. Only the relevant authorities and organizations with whom you choose to share your health data can access it. Furthermore, the app does not store or track your personal health data beyond the necessary verification process, ensuring that you maintain control over your information. Travel requirements. One of the key features of CommonPass is that it takes the guesswork out of understanding travel requirements. The app includes up-to-date travel entry requirements for countries around the world, letting you know exactly what documents, tests, or vaccinations you need before your trip. Benefits of CommonPass. The introduction of CommonPass has brought several key benefits for travelers, making the complex world of international travel more manageable in the post-pandemic world. Below are some of the primary benefits. 1. Simplified travel process. One of the most significant benefits of CommonPass is its ability to simplify the travel experience. Before the app, travelers had to carry around multiple pieces of paper, including vaccination certificates, test results, and travel declarations, all of which could get lost or damaged. With CommonPass, all of this information is securely stored in one place, making it easy to access and share. 2. Faster border crossing. With CommonPass, you no longer need to wait in long lines at Immigration and Border Control to show physical copies of your health certificates. The app allows for quicker and more efficient verification through a digital certificate that can be scanned in seconds. 3. Real-time updates. CommonPass provides real-time information on entry requirements for countries around the world. This helps you stay informed of the latest regulations and ensures that you meet all the necessary criteria before traveling. Whether it's new testing protocols or changes to vaccination rules, the app keeps you updated so you don't encounter any surprises at the border. 4. Privacy and security. Privacy and security are top priorities for CommonPass. The app uses advanced encryption technologies to protect your personal health data, ensuring that your information is safe from unauthorized access. The platform also guarantees that only the essential health information required for entry is shared, keeping your privacy intact. 5. Reduced fraud and errors. By digitizing health credentials, CommonPass reduces the risk of fraud and human error. Physical certificates can be lost, altered, or falsified, whereas digital certificates from verified sources are much harder to tamper with, ensuring that only valid health data is shared. 6. Cross-border compatibility. CommonPass works across borders and is accepted by a growing number of airlines, airports, and governments. As more countries adopt digital health verification systems, CommonPass is becoming a key player in ensuring smooth international travel. This global compatibility makes it easier for travelers to move between countries without needing to meet different standards of documentation. 7. Cost-effective. While traditional health certifications and tests can be expensive, CommonPass streamlines the process, helping travelers save money on unnecessary paperwork and facilitating access to affordable testing and vaccination services. The app also provides information about nearby testing locations, which can help travelers find affordable and convenient testing options. Travel tips with CommonPass. Using CommonPass can make your travels more seamless and efficient. Here are some practical travel tips on how to get the most out of the app. 1. Check entry requirements before you travel. Before you book your flight, check the entry requirements for your destination country using CommonPass. This will give you a clear idea of what documents you need to have ready, including whether you need a COVID-19 test, proof of vaccination, or other documentation. 2. Update your health information. Keep your health credentials up to date within the app. Whether it's your vaccination status or your most recent test result, make sure that all your health data is current and valid before your trip to avoid any delays at the airport. 3. Use the QR code at border control. When you arrive at the airport or border, be sure to open your CommonPass app and display your QR code to the authorities. This will allow them to quickly verify your health status, making your passage through border control faster and more efficient. 4. Enable notifications. Enable push notifications within the app to stay updated on any changes to travel requirements or regulations. The app will alert you to important updates such as new testing protocols, vaccination requirements, or quarantine policies for your destination. 5. Ensure you have a backup. While CommonPass is a reliable and secure platform, it's always a good idea to have a backup of your health credentials, especially if you're traveling to a country where digital passes may not yet be fully implemented. You can print out a copy of your vaccination certificate or test results as a backup in case of technical difficulties. 6. Understand your privacy rights. Familiarize yourself with the privacy policies of CommonPass to understand how your data is handled. The app's goal is to provide security while maintaining your privacy, but it's always beneficial to know exactly how your data is being used and shared. Conclusion. In the age of the COVID-19 pandemic, the need for digital health verification has never been greater. CommonPass has emerged as a powerful tool that allows travelers to verify their health status in a secure and privacy-preserving manner, making cross-border travel smoother and more efficient. With its ability to store and share COVID-19 test results, vaccination certificates, and other health credentials, CommonPass helps simplify the complexities of international travel and ensures that travelers comply with the health requirements of their destinations. Whether you're traveling for business, leisure, or connecting with loved ones, CommonPass is here to make your journey easier and safer. It provides you with real-time updates on travel requirements, protects your personal health data, and enables faster border crossings, all from the convenience of your smartphone. By using CommonPass, you're not just making your travel more efficient, you're also contributing to a safer and more seamless global travel experience. Ready to travel smarter? Download CommonPass today and start your next adventure with ease. Subscribe for more adventures and travel tips. Happy travels!